going on YouTube? Bum Suit come back with a box break of 07 Sweet Spot. Good luck. If I can open it. Holy crap. Jesus. Alright. That was number, what's the number on that? It was number 58, 2058. Yeah, you're right, Alan. It's no joke. Alright, let me grab a dummy card so you guys don't see the back. Alright, base numbered out of 850 for the Indians of CC Sabathia. Next, for the Sox, Mike Lowell, numbered 850. That would be the Red Sox. Those are just base, obviously. Next, got our first jersey card, gonna be for the A's. Houston Street, one color swatch. Next, gonna be for the Devil Rays. The autograph is a little faded, but Carl Crawford, numbered to 99. Carl Crawford Sweet Spot Signatures auto. Autograph could have been a little bit better, but hey, I'll take it. Next, got our Sweet Beginnings Signatures. That's a nice one. It's gonna be for the Nationals. Matt Chico. I don't see a numbering on that one. And the last one, going to be just the jersey card. It's going to be for the Red Sox of Jason Varitek. For the Sox. So not a bad box of Sweet Spot. Got a nice Carl Crawford Sweet Spot Signatures. A couple nice jersey cards. Alright, that's it for that. Come back with some ballpark and some Sterling after that. Bum Suit out.